In this video, we will explain how to measure 3D DXF data with the Leica DISTO X6. With the Leica DISTO X6 with DST360X adapter and its DXF data capturing function, you can measure floor plans, front views, and 3D objects and download the data to your CAD solution. Turn on your DISTO. Press the menu key and select 3D data capturing. The leveling will start automatically. Just follow the steps shown on the display. When leveling is finished, the device is ready to measure the first point. Thanks to the digital point finder with zoom function, you can see the exact position of the measuring point on the display. Use the fine adjustment on the adapter to aim the measuring point precisely. The first measuring point defines the origin of the coordinate system. The second point, the direction of the x-axis. The device must be turned horizontally between the first and second measuring point. If this is not the case, the DISTO will ask you to select another second measuring point. As long as the point finder is switched on, the photos of the target points are also saved with each measuring point. This allows the measurement points to be verified later if necessary. All points you are measuring will be connected by a line. Point data, as well as the file name for the images, will be added to each point as well. After each measured point, you can see the distance, the vertical and horizontal angle shortly on the display. If you want to see it again, press the equal key. After the last measurement has been done, you have to save the data. Please note that a maximum of 1,000 measurement points can be taken in several files. To download the data, plug in the USB-C cable and connect the device to a computer. Floor plan, front view, and 3D file are available for download, as well as JPEG files for the measured points. A CSV file with measurement data and coordinates would also be available for import into certain programs and Excel. This exclusive feature is only available for Leica DISTO X6 with DST360X adapter, as it's also included in the Leica DISTO X6 P2P package.